We are officially on the first turkey hunt of the season in Alabama. It is opening day. So, Weston is up to bat. Try to get one of these gobblers we got on camera. It's kind of cool this morning, about 40 degrees. I don't know how well they'll be gobbling or anything, but we're gonna give it a whirl anyway.
Well, we're back out here. We're not back out here. It's the first day of turkey, first opening day of turkey season. It's March. And just hoping to, we have 2 gobblers on camera, hoping to double up today. So, try to catch them out here.
We have these gobblers. They've gotten used to coming into the guy that hunts with us, his feeder, right here during deer season. And so we hung a camera here to see if they were still coming in here. And there's 2 gobblers and about 8 or 9 hens, something like that. And they're still coming in here checking his feeder. So being as it's cold as it is this morning, and we don't really know where they're at. They're not gobbling at all. But we're just gonna sit here and kind of see what happens. Maybe they'll stroll through here and see if there's anything out there. But anyway, we're gonna take it easy, see what happens. If we hear one fire up, you know, I would go after him, but so far it's been dead, turkey wise. The owls have been hooting, but ain't nothing gold yet. Easy it up, real easy. Easy, Weston. Don't move. Ease it up. Get out on it, get out on it. Get it on him. Are you ready? Oh.
No, wait.
You ready?
Put his head on him.
What?
I missed.
See, you went and pump it. You got him.
Go!
You got him.
Now get at him now.
I dropped the camera.
Oh my god. I'm about to die. Oh my god, dude.
I dropped the camera.
Oh my god. Dude, that scared me so bad. I mean, you gotta have perfect aim to shoot, miss, and then pull it, and then shoot him again. I shot and he gobbled right after that. He starts running. I pulled the trigger. Dead. That was weird. Oh my god. I'm like tingling.
I forgot I had my thing loose instead of stable.
And you let go and it dropped it.
Yeah, and when it.
Well, I couldn't believe I hit him whenever he was running, and boom, I hit him right. I had to hit him in the back of the head.
Yeah, you hit him in the back of the head.
Oh.
Go get him.
Let's go. Here, you can hold that.
Just lean down against the wall.
Let's go.
Hey. Get him. Ain't one come here just to gobbler by himself.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Hey. Hold him up. Let me see his beard. Just hold him up. I can see it hanging. Scoot over that tree, that little tree's in the way. Turn him sideways.
Sideways?
There you go. Yeah. What kind of spurs he got?
He got some sharp spurs.
Hold him right there. You moved. Oh yeah, that dude's got some hooks. Alright, bring him right here.
Oh, okay. Well, we came out here this morning hoping to see these 2 birds we had on camera. Actually, we guessed that we had 3 and was hoping to see one of them. Got out here, and not long after we sitting down, I forgot I had to go back to the truck to get something. I forgot, and came back not long after me sitting down. Had the gobbler come from the road and killed him.
Game over.